Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to be playing Big Scary. I'm on my new account because my old one is just a bunch of weird crap. So today, we're going to start off with Capybara. He can float on fire. He just teleports, like he's right here. Look at that. He just floats.
Oh my god, I'm drunk.
Warning, if you don't like loud sounds, click off this video. Because I'm going to be screaming, the monsters are going to be screaming, everyone's going to be screaming. So yeah, we're just going to get right into the video. Creepy PTSD, man. So let's get into this. I'm going to find where everyone's at. I have no idea. I just joined this lobby. There's one person. E-E-P-S. Random one. Expecting no one to be in here. Where's everybody? On my old account, I have beat every single level, including level 17 and 16. So, yeah, let's go find everybody. I imagine they would be in 17. Oh, crap, yep, that's where I'm going. Exactly why I said click on this video.
Killed. You have to get PP killed.
Yeah, I've played one way.
Watch out, let me get that kill.
Oh, this is insane.
Well, let me get the kill.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna get me.
Hey, why?
It's kind of hard to aim the gun. Like, there's no optic.
Don't try to escape, alright?
Yeah, he didn't die. He wouldn't throw a shot in his face. Yeah, well, this is my first VR video on this channel. You should go check out my animations. They're not very good, but kind of funny. I also make stop motion videos, so check those out. Called Home Defense 1 and 2. They're also pretty funny. At least my friends thought they were. I would give a shout out, but I don't have anyone in mind right now.
There's a new person.
I found everyone, so that's good. I'm just gonna be playing Battlefield. I do play other games, but since I had to make a new account, my mom wanted it to be a child account. So now I have to request, but can't get games until she's home. She gets home at like 1 a.m. So yeah.
Hey, wait. How many kills do you have? Tell me.
Huh?
How many kills do you have?
Like 40.
Okay, follow me. Wait, don't tell anyone about this, alright? Don't tell any. Don't press it, you'll escape.
I know what that does. I've played this game.
Don't. Bro, if you press it, okay, fine. Get 10 more kills now. Alright? That's the video.
I've already beaten this before.
The exit.
It's not the actual exit.
I think I have enough. Go check.
Oh crap! You know, the actual gunshots didn't scare me. Just the like blood that pops up on your screen. What the? That is a strong. Pretty sure there's like snipers in the trees. Or at least it might have just been a glitch. Actually hit that.
Alright, the real exit.
If you do play this, look in here. I'm not gonna show you, but if you do play Big Scary, sneak peek. Oh, there's a tunnel right here. That's your sneak peek. You need to play Big Scary for yourself. Just a little secret that I that scared me. They come out of nowhere.
Why everyone?
Capybara, I missed you, man. By the way, these are not real people, they're just AR. Some. Shrek put them in here. If you don't know who Shrek is, he's the creator of the game. And he's got a lot of devs and moderators.
Guys, follow me.
Yeah.
Over here.
I'm already tired and I just started playing. There's a little buddy in there.
Behind you. Ooh, behind you.
Where are these people? There. That was a real person. Oh crap. Scary little bug. My boy came out of nowhere. Where did he come from, bro? Hey, what's up, bro? Oh! Let me show you what would have happened if I ran into that.
Over here. Over here. Behind me.
Yeah.
Hey, wait. Over here. Come on.
God. Bleep that out. Big Scary did add like a flamethrower mode, which is pretty cool. But I think they should do it with like guns. Like it wouldn't be not kid friendly just to have like a revolver or something. Well, no guns are kid friendly, but this game's not intended for kids, so it'll be fine if you add guns. Every other game, which is made for kids. Or 13-year-olds. Same thing. Damn, bro. Bro fighting like it's me. Oh my god, these other guys. You got what's it called? Oh, crap. Uranium fever, bro. I'm getting uranium fever. Sorry about my He's raging. Teabag. I'm gonna crash that, man. It's so annoying. How many kills do I have? Run over that. Oh, I have 46. Just like 4 more kills. Yes, I can do math. Oh, that's a tank. Jesus. Bro, what? Oh my God. The way we greeted each other by shooting each other in the face. I need like yes, I beat it. It's 1 a.m. I'm gonna hit the sack. That's kind of annoying. He always does that. It's not really 1 a.m. I think it's like 6:29. I was checking my watch if you didn't know. I was taking some shots. Are you serious? Okay. What is bro running to? Monkey snipers! They always get me. And yeah, if you just go near the trees, monkey snipers out of absolutely nowhere. I think every time you get near what happens when you get run over by the tank? He's dropping the tank. That's what happens. Yeah, I think I'll end the video. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.